Hey, what's poppin', guys? What's up? It's your boy XO, and I'm back with a brand new video. Alright, guys. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys this really stupid, simple trading strategy that has a very high win rate. It can turn your $100 into 1,000, 1,000 into 10,000, and and the rest is history. So if you can trade this consistently and you can keep it dialed in, you can actually make something decent from this trade. So like I always say, the rule number one is protect your capital. Risk 1% of your capital on this trade. I'm not a financial advisor, so do what you want to do. This is just for entertainment purpose. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So the strategy works like this. I'm looking for an RSI divergence, and you guys know how crazy and how effective RSI divergence is when it comes to the forex market and trading in general, right? So we want to look for an RSI divergence, and not just RSI divergence, we want to also see the market above the 200 exponential moving average line. Alright, so this is a good textbook setup. I just found now on my chart right here. So as you can see, the market made this highs here, as you can see, with this wick, but this wick is a little bit slightly higher than this wick right here. So if you plot this is obviously a divergence right here. Alright, so you want to wait for the market to break the previous low of this divergence. Right, so where is the low? This is the lowest low from this divergence. Alright, this is the lowest point the market got to before it created this divergence right here. Alright, so you want to make this your main focus of entry. Alright, that zone. So like I said, wait for the breakout of that zone. Like, you actually need to wait for the market to actually break out and close below that that zone. You don't want to see a wick. If this happens to just be a wick that just close down, that is invalid, guys. Please take notes, get your notes down and jot. This is, if it happened to be just a wick that just closed below, it is an invalid setup. You want to actually see a body close below this zone. All right, let me check something out. All right, no, okay. All right, so like when you see this breakout, then you want to see a retracement back to the zone. All right, from the look of things, I can see this candlestick retrace, this bullish candlestick retrace back, but that is not how the strategy works. All right, you want to go down to the 5 minute or 15-minute time frame for your entry. So let me get this straight and get back to you guys. Okay, so I guess using my bar replay tool is gonna be the best thing to do right now. So let me just use that for the sake of this video, guys. All right, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is that same zone I was talking about. So let me fast forward things and see and show you guys what my entry criteria is. Alright guys, so like I was saying, our entry is gonna be an engulfing candlestick. Oh, I didn't say that, actually, I forgot. So like the entry, like I said, go down to the 5 minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame, but I usually prefer the 5 minute time frame because it has a balance to it. So at this point, you see this is where the market broke out from, and the market came back, retraced, and now we got this beautiful engulfing candlestick. So you take a trade right at this point, and your stop loss just slightly above that engulfing candlestick, and you want to target a 1 to 2 or a 1 to whatever you want. So this is a quick scalping strategy, very effective, high probability trading setup, 100% plus. I'm just kidding, guys. So I just get this strategy. If you stick to it, consistency is the key in trading. Like, to be honest, every strategy works in the market. You just have to master your trade management, your risk management, and everything. So if you guys want me to make a video on this strategy, this is just like me. This is actually how I trade. Actually, I just broke it down into the simplest form, guys. There's a lot that goes into this strategy. If you guys want to see that video, drop a comment and I will make sure to answer your questions. All right, so if you want me to trade live, want to join me trading live every single day, join the Telegram group.